Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add your Etsy shop to Instagram. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com if you're not already. After you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started, and the upper right corner we can get started first by logging into your account. So if you do not already have an Etsy account, what you want to do is go and create one, and after creating one, just log in normally. So now we are logged in, and this is how it's going to look. This is going to be the main page where we can find all the products we can buy. We can manage our store right here from the shop manager, and now we can get started. So basically guys, how do you link your Etsy to Instagram? It's very easy. What we're going to do is first open up your Etsy profile or your shop manager, depending whichever option you want to link. If you want to link your store directly or your profile, you can go ahead and open it up. So I'm going to open up my profile right here, and once I have opened up my profile, it's going to look like this. Doesn't matter if you open up your store or your profile. Here at the top of the screen, you're going to have the URL bar. This is the link that leads to your profile or your store that you want to copy. This is the URL bar that you want to copy it, and then you can get started pasting it into your Instagram bio. You can paste it wherever you want, into your Instagram bio, link it however you wish, but this is the URL that you can use for linking to Etsy, so people from Instagram will be able to open up the link and get taken to your store, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.